So we're on the home straight. We got a few things to tidy up, a few things to sort out before we go and get a ticket on this monster. Now, I just want to make sure, because we've just walked in, we've been a couple of days, we're on a cold start here, so let's a little bit of choke. Can't fault it. Can't fault it at all. So we got the foot pegs to do. I'm going to get on to those in a second because I think that's going to be the next easy win there, because we got all the bits. We have had a little bit of a mishap. I appear to have lost the twisty knobby thing, and of course with it being an obtainium, we might have to 3D print one. So yeah, I'll see how that goes. The wing mirrors, I forgot about the wing mirrors, they need sorting as well. But these little things, like we've got a few accessories to bolt onto this and clean up and all of this, and we've got to put the plastics back on. But we'll get these foot pegs sorted out now. And I made a bit of an error when I sorted them out, in that I ordered, we nickel plated these, and our nickel plating was successful, but not in terms of finish. It's quite you know, it just looks like it hasn't been finished when it has, and I quite like that finish. But I made a mistake, you see. I bought some stainless pegs because they are, well, there you go, this is what happens with them. I bought some stainless pegs, and unfortunately it looks like I should have bought 2 sets, and I didn't. I was an idiot, and that's where we are now. And I can't, I know both of these should be the same, but you know, it doesn't matter if they're slightly longer, I suppose. But we're gonna get these put on now. I can't remember how these go back together, but we'll find out, you know what I mean? Let's have a crack. Well, that looks about right there. Yeah. Why doesn't that seem to want to fit nicely in there? Am I missing something? Of course, there it goes. So if I... Nice. Now the rear set don't have any sort of thing going on. Let's see. Why does this not feel right? Oh, I understand now. I understand how it works. You've got to, it's all using the elasticity of the kind of cute, that. I understand now. Typical. Absolutely typical. There you go. So I'll wear that off there as soon as you can see boo. That's the life. Right. Okay, I'm going to put another washer on there, try and reduce some of that play in that one. Oh, come on. Beautiful. It's easy when you know what you're doing. You go in. There you go. Oh, beautiful. And here we go. Of course. Foot pegs. Done. Right. I ain't going nowhere. Right, let's have a quick squiz in here. How are we looking there? It's a really good question, actually. Somewhere between low and high. So we'll look at that upon that as a good sign. There we go. Oh, it's big. Oh, it's big. Oh. I reckon I've spilt more of that can than anything else. I think what we're going to do is we're going to turn it round and see if we got gears and the clutch is okay, because we haven't really, we've had a look, you know, but we haven't really had a kick of the cat, have we? Go. Forward. Oh, nothing ventured, nothing gained. Oh. Yep, we've definitely got drive. Good God, that's really difficult. Okay. Oh! She's a runner. I could have sworn I had the right size rivets here. Anyway, if these are good enough for a GR3, they're good enough for a Honda motorcycle. Will they work in this? Well, we're about to find out. Oh, they even look period correct. Not sure what these rivets are made out of, but they are definitely going to hold it on there. One. Oh, look at that. See, I'm a bit sad now because I've reached that point in the project where there's nothing new or there's nothing great. We're not going to make any, you know, because we're there. We've got some plastic to put on. Other than that, we are genuinely in a place where we can go and get some ticket on it. it goes up the road just fine. So it hasn't been easy, but there you go. Those things are never easy. There you go. And there you go. Of course there were two kinds. Why would there not be two kinds? Now I would hazard a guess to say that one is for the top and one is for the bottom. I don't think it matters which. I think the one takes up a slightly smaller profile. Yeah. Okay. Like, oh, okay. There you go. Up there like that. And that goes there like that. And that goes. Where's the other one? There. Oh, all this will have to come back off to clean. And here it is. I'm sure there's a knack to this. And there it is. There's the knack. And there we go. Of course it needs a clean up, but you know.
Could not find a way to say, did not matter anyway, what you say or what you do, but just know what I've been through, with no help from you. I wish I could find a way in which I could see how to be free. I wish I could fly outside my head, right into someone else's.
We managed to get an MOT, and I don't know why I'm surprised, you know. Played for and got. It's all done. I can't really put a, you know, put a dampener on this, because we've actually managed to get it. And I've just spent the last half hour, you know, giving it a bit of the old yeah, and we've managed to get, you know, it's all gone, you know. So I'm reasonably pretty damn happy, actually. We've managed to get a bit of the old Chinese quad lock thing going on there, and yeah, got the old rugged foam going on, and a bit of a USB thing going on here, giving a voltage. And then you've also got in here, Ollie, you can't see this as well. Can you see it from here? Let's take this panel off. No, you can't see it from there either. Damn. Oh, that's the fuel pump, which obviously isn't standard. But just up under there is a nice little switch. Hang on. What's this now? Yeah. It's a kill switch, which means that you can store it without worrying about your battery going flat, because it completely isolates the battery. But yeah, and we've put 11.3 miles on it, and it's running well. So I think we're going to, you know, sign this one off. I think the only thing that we need to do with it now is, you know, give it a bit of health and safety come to check it out. Look, there it is. Where's your clipboard? And your helmet and your PPE? Nosy bugger. Right, I think the only thing that's left to do is, you know, take it up the road and, you know, have a crack, you know. Yeah, catch you on the flip side. It's alright, that.